In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious fried strawberries recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need strawberries, 1½ cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of butter, skewers, half a teaspoon of lemon zest, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. In a bowl, add the egg, milk, sugar, melted butter, lemon zest, vanilla extract, and sift in the baking powder and the flour. Whisk until a smooth batter forms. Stick a skewer into the larger side of the strawberry. Coat the strawberry completely in the batter. Fry on all sides until golden brown. Once golden brown, take out onto a paper towel-lined plate. Sift the strawberries with powdered sugar. Our fried strawberries are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.